Are you seeking information about how to make money online? Then check out these great tips. Do you know people who make money online? Do you wonder how they do it? If so, you are not alone. Lots of people are trying to figure out how to make the most of their online activity. This video will provide some excellent suggestions to help you begin your online endeavors. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. You must have a provable identity to work online. Many places need validation and identification just like they would in the real world. Prepare for this eventuality by storing digital ID documentation on your computer ahead of time. Before you begin working online, determine how much you feel you should bill for your time. What is the least amount of money you would be willing to work for per hour? You won't make a lot of money if you settle for a really low hourly rate. Potential clients will realize you do not value your time highly and will pay you accordingly. You can be among those who profit from working online. Use the ideas that were just presented to you. Soon, you will discover that you are able to make a steady income. Start with the suggestions that are the easiest and build your way up to working on all kinds of tasks. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.